Are you tired of overpaying for your online purchases? Look no further than UK voucher code websites. Voucher code websites, also known as coupon or deal websites, provide a platform for retailers and brands to offer discounts and deals to customers in the form of voucher codes. These codes can be used at the checkout when making a purchase online or in store. And there are plenty of top UK voucher code websites to choose from. Websites like vouchercodes.co.uk, myvouchercodes.co.uk, hotukdeals.com and vouchercode.com offer a wide range of discounts and deals on everything from clothing and electronics to travel and dining. But how do you make the most of these websites? Tips include browsing by category, signing up for newsletters, researching deals before you buy, staying organized, and avoiding scams and fraud. So don't miss out on the savings. Start using UK voucher code websites today and never overpay for your online purchases again. Thanks for watching.